what's up, man?
What's up? What's up, United Filipino? What's up?
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with eXp Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season
Good evening,
thank you to all
Mike.
our sponsors and fans.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. After months of playing regular season, it all comes down to this. Game 1, final FBL 2026 Summer League. Winter League naman aspect tayo ng summer. Between two of Fredericton's finest basketball teams, ang division working class Tito Team 45 versus the Centurion. And before everything else, the league won't be possible without our sponsors. Title sponsor, Taco Boys Fredericton, right below me, with eXp Realty, Viscount Kitchen, by Madam Jane and Boss Archie, 812 Morgan Dalapan, by Ken Martinez and Lisa Tacta. And Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental, to everyone who came in tonight and who has been supporting their husbands and their boyfriends and their teams. Thank you to everyone who came in tonight to support their own teams and witness the basketball Thank you.
Atong birthday niya ba?
Sama ka na muna? Ay, lapot ko yun. Ay, ikaw po, hindi ka dumating. Ikaw, ikot ko pa siya. Wala. Wala ito. It-flip us. Ika Amerika on, ma.
Your full house today, you know?
Loko, ikaw. Ikaw niyo, ma. Ikaw niyo, ma.
Ha? Ay. Nga naman.
Dua siya sa kwan. Ito,
Dom, start. Touch it.
Oh. Oh, galing. May trabaho dyan?
5 minutes warm up! 5 minutes warm up! Good luck to both teams! And same just a
trabaho,
as usual. Let's keep it clean. Let's keep it fun. Competitive yet fun. Outside the court, we are all brothers and sisters. Enjoy the game, guys, and our referee's decision is final. Please respect the referee's decision. They are here for a reason. Good luck to both teams. And a reminder to the lovely parents and the mom, please look after your kids. Look after your kids. Maiiwas si Slasha tayo. Look after your kids, especially during the live ball game. Para iwas si Slasha. Reminder, self-service sa pagpunta sa ospital. Self-service. And reminder lang guys, before we start the ball game, kung okay lang sana yung mga team, both teams, sa gitna lang, ano lang tayo? Picture taking lang tayo, tapos konting speech from the commissioner. Pasuyo lang guys.
Walang iba eh. Ito na lang kayo. Ito na lang. Ha? Tawagin mo na.
Both teams, pasuyo lang sana. Muna tayo sa gitna ng court. Picture taking lang tayo. This is our special today. What did you say about the game tonight? Yes, you did.
Can we put Tracy on the mic instead?
Hey, I just borrowed it. I don't know.
We're on my referee.
You want the ref?
I'm the fencer.
Hampo body naman. Parang graduation.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Javin Bronson, where are you?
I'm here. Grabe, Wikini Mars, hindi tagumpay eh. Hindi tagumpay.
Wala si Papanat. So what's going on? You're upgrading like the older one with the two young ones? What's going on? Who's missing?
They're playing.
They're playing.
Yeah, that's why. You know?
That's why. Yeah. Oh, there he is.
They need to do some exercise too. They're getting old, you know? Only the young ones here.
2 young ones.
Yeah, 4 young ones. And the young ones.
First fight. Say hi. First fight.
You get 3 to throw the ball up.
Oh, 1 minute.
Right, back.
Jet, bola.
Ben, ang number mo, Ben?
Ref,
Hindi, pagka pinasa, tapos na-shoot yung pinasa. Okay? Yung nag-record na siya. Dam, taas at flat.
Purple mo na ba, boy?
Shot clock, you'll do the shot clock?
Purple na naman to.
Or the last 2 minutes.
Okay. 2 minutes.
Yeah, I'll do Yeah, last 2 minutes I'll do it.
Got
Do
it.
a hang count then, boys.
Alright.
Done. Under 10.
First five. First five. Give like 5 years.
First five. Let's go. And now we're ready to drive Centurions, the scoreboard home. 0.5 scoreboard yes. Last 2 minutes. 24 hours on the clock. Just the last 2 minutes.
24 hours. 24 hours.
24 hours, that's clock. And then when I said 2 seconds, Lori.
Yeah, how long have I been doing this with you?
Yeah, I know, right?
5, 6, 7 years now?
I know, right? Getting old, man. I need to retire already.
Probably before you two were born, we started. I was down Wesleyan with him. Like here we go. Terry Dolan and I used to do ref games with him. It was like we just start laughing at him in the middle of games. And the players are like, "What are you laughing at?" I'm laughing at that idiot over there.
But you're loving that idiot, right?
That one.
That idiot. That idiot, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go! Bernard. Number one.
Okay, go. Still, I'm out.
JR, set up. Emergency boys. Binigay kay Eric, wide open shot. Eric supply. Nakuha niya kay rebound. Knock. Binigay kay Marvin tumira. Marvin, go forward. First, 2 points kay Marvin. JR, setting up ulit. JR, binigay na. Nagdadalawang isip, binigay kay JR. JR, pasay team, wide open, train. Why that Steven? Ayan! Nakuha niya. Boy, si Jerry. First personal foul, boys. First team foul. 0.5. Not dalawang free throw. team. Ang ganda ng depensa ng parehong team. Wala pang score. 6 minutes in the ball game. JR, sinigay kay Vince, nagkarawang isip. Wala pa rin sila. Jet, wala ka. Jet, wala. Nakuha ni Eric, sinigay kay Vince, sinigay kay JR. JR, ayaw pa rin ka na. And the first ball game is brought to you by Tama Gatti. And the first ball game is brought to you by Tama Boys, our title sponsor. Thank you for supporting us.
Tawagin mo lang yung pangalan.
Spread the floor. Kuya Sam going into the ball game. Bernard. Mati, nakita si Popoy, Smeke, Popoy, mag-jump, Aaron, Jared, no good, Ben to Bernard, with the play, Bernard, nice block, Popoy, Aaron, nice defense, to Ben,
Turnover, rebound. Parang pag na-shoot tapos kinuha lang. Yan yung rebound.
Help me! Popoy, Aaron, second personal foul.
Wala na.
Eric. One for penalty, Centurion.
Mana yung first round?
Popoy, sayang. Pagod sa nakapikil ball to si Popoy. Nakapikil ball. Pagod sa nakapikil ball. Oh, Eric with the cross! Bernard wide open! No good. Substitution, Jet going in for Kuya Sam. Masih tu Popoy, bagi Jet. Popoy, ulung. Popoy, naghahanap.
3 seconds!
Traveling violation. Walang shot clock.
No need to hurry.
Eric, no shot clock. Level fighting. Reminder lang guys, both teams. 20 for the second shot clock. Last 2 minutes of the ball game. Last 2 minutes. game, all. Let's go! Let's go! Hey, very nice. To Eric, to Ben, mag-isa lang, boy, sayang. That's not to Jared, on the way, Jared, wala. Game. Barbie, first personal foul, second team foul. Ben, to Bernard, to Eric, hang up, Eric, miscommunication. Another turnover by the black team, it's okay. Ang ganda ng depensa ng parehong team. They only have 2 baskets for both teams, 4 points for both teams. Not, all the way, not, ang bilis. Jared, boy! Please, not by Eric!
Foul.
Yes, first personal foul, penalty na ang black team, penalty na. Jared, first basket na mo, game Jared. Penalty na. Bernard, Eric, long pass to Ben, butik na bola. Ben, Pinira. Aaron, no good, Ben again. What a hustle by Ben! I'm so happy with Ben. 99, Toto. Right. Nice one.
Eric, closer to the basket. Bring the ball to the basket.
Eric guarded by Nathan. Eric to the cross. What a cross! Bernard to Bernard. Ben to Bernard, so good. Ben again. Laban mo na. Ang ganda! Ano masasabi mo, tumigil sa game natin?
Bintangling!
For helping us
sa mga Mexicana. Masis mo Kuya Pan ka, ha?
Energy now from both teams. Coming from John. Thank you. Let's go! Start of the second quarter.
Double zero. With tumbling.
Ben, first personal Ben. First team foul.
Sa 8, sub ko.
Sub.
Mamaya na.
Inbound.
Position, Brad. Position.
Dan.
Iyan mo Ay, huwag mong tingnan. Ganun.
Dan. To Mark. Mark.
Kapitan mo. Huwag mo lang
Mark. Marvin. Step up. Marvin, Bernard. No pass to Eric. Eric, pakita lang. Eric on the ball. Eric for that three. Kita lang. Ada naman si Mark. Mark, ang dalawang isip. Mark, kaya kay Marvin.
Double zero. That's a foul.
Ben, second personal, second inbound.
Ben.
Substitution. JR going in for Ben.
Yeah.
And,
Upo lang.
Ben, inbounding.
Aray, upo lang.
Mark, nagkakalagay kay Tito Dan.
Hindi pwede. Upo.
Wait, ang ganda ng cross si Tito Dan. With the speed. No foul. Bernard, right away. Ayan na naman, iniwan sila Labang na lang yung ano niyan. Walo, Centurion. Sorry, my hat is not matching.
Ano yung pinagdaan ni Eric?
Nice shot by Eric! Ay, shout out po na tayo, baka magtampo yung mga sponsors. Shout out to White House Kitchen, care of Boss Archie and Madam Jane. Thank you. Let's go! 7 minutes, 56 seconds remaining.
Meron pa sila.
Time out mo?
Uy! Isa!
Marvin, guardiano de Oran. Marvin, looking for someone to pass. Marvin! JR to Eric! Eric with the cross! Eric escape! Eric! Oh, sayang! And the ball is again! JR to Bernard! First pass of the ball game by Bernard.
Ano dito? Sige!
Natulog na harap.
Gusto coach para dito. Sige, lagay mo na pressure. Huwag mo na pinutin.
Six flag.
That's a block. Yeah, wala
JR, second personal, 13 foul. 13 foul, Centurion.
How many fouls yan?
13 foul na kayo. 13 na kayo. Marvin! Bravo! Oy! Bravo! Ay, foul.
Foul Jet, 20.
Jet, second personal, waiting for penalty. Substitution, Bernard going in for Jet. Ben Tumito. Ay, sayang. Ganyan talaga pag 16-hour shift. 16-hour shift, nakatulog. Grabe na rebound, Ben. Kumawi! After Ben! Binigay kayo! Uy! Sayang! Uy! The ball will remain with... Uy! Black team pa rin! Black team pa rin! 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Bernard, Ben, to Aaron, setting up, Aaron to Eric, to JR, Guys, reminder lang.
12 wide. 12.
Guys, reminder lang yung mga
Done.
pins natin. Ingat lang, delikado yan.
Done. 12 wide. 10
10
wide. Joe.
Atin right now.
Aling tayo, wala sa ito.
Si John.
Oh.
John first.
Ano lang? Time out. Stop.
13 now.
Stop.
Yes, sir! Pasok Pasok ba, JR, di ba?
Pasok ka dyan. 17.
17 na. Isa lang kay JR. Substitution. Dali, matiti kayo dyan. Bigay. Okay, Marvin. Well, guarded by Aaron. Marvin, ang ganda naman. Sayang. Jog, nakawala.
Arbol.
Jump ball. Substitution, Jared coming in for Jared, sino malabas? Jared coming in for Jog. 3 minutes, 15 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Eric guarded by Jared. Bernard, nakawala. And a block. Team lock. Bernard, Aaron almost lost it. Aaron got it. Aaron to Vin. Oh, nice pass by Team Sudan. What a steal by Team Sudan. Ben! Uy, sayang! And the ball will remain in the right team. Nice hustle by Ben. Partida, 16 hours, 6 yan. Uy, sayang! Uy, bala! Substitution. Time out ba? Time out! Black team! Both teams have overtime. Kick without kick. That's what Daddy saying, okay? What Daddy saying, okay? Careful, okay? Careful, okay? That's what Daddy saying, okay? Let's go!
Detroit in Filipino, they might understand, but was that Filipino?
Let Danny play.
Watch Danny.
Bernard! Aaron! Oh my God! But last 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Last 2 minutes. Later, nagkahanap. Wow, Aaron! Oh, nice pass from Eric to and it's turned over. Marvin on the way. Marvin!
No basketball.
Eric! Ahí está.
Sorry, no basket. Traveling. Aaron again. Aaron. Grabe na rin sa Aaron. Tatlo. Three-second violation. The ball will go to the white team. Kopit. So Jared. Ayan na si Jared. Ay, ka na si Jared. All the way. Marvin. Kopit. Marvin. No good. Ben all the way. Oh, Marvin violation.
Last shot.
Ang ganda ng depensa ng parehong team. Sumasakit ulo mo. Jared! Hoy! Nice! Jared! Dito na! Dito! Ayaw pa rin talaga! Hey! Jared! The second quarter! 7 points lead in favor of the second division!
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with EXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen, Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Interesting game. Interesting. Yeah. Lots of little individual battles going on.
Especially second game.
Second game will be next week. I'm on Filipino game next week as well, but I don't know if I'm here or
Today. There's a second game today.
Oh, they're playing two tonight.
Open division. This is
Yeah, I'm playing.
actual division. Is
They
over.
play next week.
No. Today. Tonight.
8-3.
There's another division.
So how many times do these two play next week? I'm on Filipino game next week.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know whether I'm here or not.
So, is this the same league as the one that they play on at Connaught Street, at Coffee Street? Oh, different.
Still Westfield.
Oh, gotcha.
The biggest gym. Okay.
That's it. Coffee Church is the church. Okay, so this one is not a church. Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
They just have to play at a church.
Okay,
This is a Filipino group.
gotcha.
How many years? 7?
7.
7? So we've known each other for 7 years.
Yeah.
That's how we first met 7 years ago.
Actually, it's 2020 we didn't go because of the COVID.
So when did do you remember, when was the final ESA in the championship? Do you remember?
That was in 2023.
When you had all the Filipino leagues come together from
That was in 23 because that's the year I started. Yeah.
You know, they called it now, the school, and they had a championship, there was 2 courts. I wasn't there, and it was 15 players.
Yeah.
15 players throwing haymakers at each other. Woodstock team, wasn't it? Woodstock Filipino team?
Moncton and Nova Scotia.
Oh, no, yeah. And they literally were like, they were just, yeah.
So what do? They just watch them and
They just banned them.
They just pay them.
Teams, yeah.
Hey, everybody, check it out, guys. Reminder, we're second game. Championship game. First, game 1 between Team 5. Team 5 and River City Raiders. Watch out for that game as well.
Ano yun?
Shout
Sinabi niya,
out
Intercity.
shout out kay
Hindi na namin
William.
inulit.
Shout out William. Shout out. Ibang iba talaga itsura mo sa church. Hindi ka ganyan, friend. Ibang iba itsura mo sa church, friend. Sweetie, what did you say about the ball game, Sweetie?
I wish we had a new commentator.
You're gonna miss me, man.
Yeah. Open up. Open up. What are you doing in bathroom?
I don't know.
With kiddie toys.
I don't know.
That's what I want.
Let's go! Third of the second half. Very nice defense, great defense by both teams. We have a very low scoring ball game. 17-10 in favor of
we're gonna look after it. Okay? Alright.
Ilan tall ni Pineda, Jeff? Yung someone before that was chanting at the
Jessica.
Flores.
Si Bernard, dalawa. Si Bernard, wala pa.
Bernard, wala ka pang foul!
In favor of Centurion. Oh! Nice defense by Chavez. Quick and over by the Black Queen. That's Mark. Chavez, guarded by Eric. Chavez. To Papoy, guarded by Aaron. Papoy backing up. Papoy with the spin, no good. He runs to me now. Bernard. On the way, Bernard. Jared, first personal foul. First team foul. Bernard! Bernard again! Go to block! Mark, not that, finish! All in a foul! You got the shot? No basket?
Go basket. Wait for me at the hole. That's number 25. That's the hole.
Number 20. Oh, shit. Number 29. Yes,
Ano mo reklamo?
Nice shot, my friend. Eric, oh, nice defense. Nice, we got it.
Tabo ba? Tabo.
Nagyaw-yaw ba? Ang oras sa siguro, di ba?
Second team foul. Centurion.
Mamagapan ba?
Balik ka mo mo. Simple kayo. Ikaw pa.
Ay, na.
Yes! 2-2. 5-point lead sa Centurion. Kuya Sam going in for sino ba ba? Aaron. Kuya Sam going in for Aaron.
I want first leg coming fourth quarter.
Eric, setting up, Eric, bounce back to Ben. Ben!
Ilang time out sa third? Nalang no? 20. Wow.
Sino pa?
Eric, no shot, no shot clock.
Ben, first personal foul. Second team foul. Black team. Nice hustle by the white team. Mark, the 4 points. 4 points. Nice shot by 4 points. Possible na 3-point play, 4 points.
Foul.
Sino? Kuya Sam, first personal, 13 fouls. Oh! 3-point play completed by Pedro. Dalawa na lang! Centurion. Wala! Eric talaga!
Ha?
Nice shot by Eric! 5-point lead, Centurion! Mark!
Warning.
Jared! Umangat! Jared! Uy, kapos! Baby na wala ako! Eric again! Eric! Alright, shot! 4 points! 4 points! Dominic inside! 4 points to Ben! Ben! No good! Rebound there!
Nine pushes.
Jared! Second personal foul, 13 fouls, Centurion. Ay, 0.5 13 fouls. 13 fouls. Sabay. Oh, nice defense by Cowboy! Ben, third Waiting for penalty, Centurion! Shot by Cowboy! Time-out, Black team! What a shot by Cowboy!
Stop. 24, 19.
Uy, pasasyon! What a shot by Cowboy! Lamang pa rin ang mga Centurion! And shout out to everyone who came in tonight. Thank you.
Lima lang yan, no? 3 points na.
2 minutes, 41 seconds in the third quarter. Remaining.
Yeah, Iso! Open the door! Kaya! Hold it!
Bernard. Bernard to Eric, Jordan by Dan. Eric! All right, team, left! All right, team! Mark! Tuloy ko Dan! To Marvin! Going for someone! Not that for us to win! 4 points with the rebound! 4 points! To Marvin! Fourth personal foul, Pelotina. Oh,
Tira!
Pelotina. Oh, no, again!
Sub. Yeah.
Green foul.
Who's foul, ref?
Ref. Who's the foul? Bernard again. Bernard, second personal. Yes, sir! Marvin!
Dalawa na lang! Yeah, overtime na naman.
Back out!
Isa na lang! Basket good. 23. Stop.
Hey, 24. Wala, ubusin mo. Walang shot clock. Isa na lang. Aaron. Yeah! Nice passing. Oh, Bernard! Great shot! No! That's not! Uy, wala! Oh! Penalty! That's first personal warning for penalty. Bernard, abutin mo!
Last 2 minutes.
Running time, di ba?
Last 2 minutes. Hindi, last 2 minutes first, every quarter. Every quarter, last quarter, fourth quarter, stop lahat. Pero first, second, third, last 2 minutes. Oh.
Foul goes down on your sports and white foul. It's a foul. So the foul goes down to you on that player. 12 white. It's on sports and white foul.
Eric, 14 seconds!
Yeah.
Ubusin mo muna, Bernard!
Hindi, ang sports and white. Thanks pala sa final. Basket competition.
Uya na, 5 seconds! Uya na! Bernard, hindi pa wala! Bernard! What a shot! Number 58. White. 53 was it? 58? 58, okay. Martina! Penalty! Yes, sir! Oh my God!
Tol, isang shot pa.
Wala na.
Takbo! Ben, kunin mo, Ben. Ben, ha? Kunin mo, Ben, ha? Kunin mo, Ben.
And that is the end of the third quarter. What a hustle by both teams. Centurion leading by 7 points. Grabe ang isa parehong team. Ano ang pinili mo ngayon sa fourth quarter?
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference.
So then, first personal foul. Eric, first personal foul.
Go.
Let's go. We are at the fourth quarter. Good luck to both teams. Who will get the first W for game 1, best of 3? After the division, Let's go. Ganda ng panahon sa paglabas. Ayan, bakit hindi sinaktat ang bilis? Naktat, naghahanap, naktat ang ulong. Naktat, naghahanap. Nakita si Eric. Nice hustle by the black team. Nice shot by Eric. Mark, 2 points. Uy, sablay. Mark, with the rebound. Mark, si Mark. Uy, sayang, matasada nun. Uy, si Mark na naman. Mark, tap. Unang Adam, sabi ni Mark. Ayaw pa rin talaga. Nice hustle by my team. Popoy, ayaw pa rin talaga.
Malas.
Ito. Bernard, bakit?
Wasang foul. 20.
28. Not first person. Ben. First team foul. Ben. Substitution. Jet going in for Ben. Substitution as well. Coy going in for, Coy going in for that match. Lamang na lang siyam ang Centurion. Uy, sayang. Bashing is good. All right. 1-2 from the free throw line. Set by feet. Centurion. Mark. Mark. To Jared. Guarded by Eric. Jared. To Marvin. Marvin to Popoy. Off the mark. And a foul. Jet! Sinatang kita, Jet foul! Jet! Fourth personal, Jet! Ilan ba? Isa pa. Jet, Jet, shout out na kita. Marvin!
24.
Yes, tapos ka kaya no. Okay. Marvin yan, Marvin.
Walang pahinga dos Pogi.
Popoy with the rebound. Popoy. No good. Marvin, what a hustle. Koy. And the ball will remain with the white team. Ball will remain with the white team. Nice hustle by the white team.
No, there's a basket.
Marvin to Jared. Uy! Uy, muntik na! Magkano si Mark! Oh! Napaganda pa! Both teams have two timeouts. Eric, kakulong! Eric! To Aaron! Bernard, attacking! And a foul!
11.
11. Koy, second personal, second team foul. Reminder, both teams have two timeouts. Aaron, to Jet, pick up to JR, back to Bernard, no good. Mark.
Basket, timeout.
Jared. No good. Aaron, the rebound. Eric, to Bernard. No good. Marvin, to Popoy. Mark, to Jared. Cross.
27.
Bigyan mo katawan.
27, blocking foul now, Mark, first personal, 13 fouls.
Okay, look for Aaron. Or pass, keep. Relax ha.
Bernard. Aaron. Back to Bernard.
No shot clock. Oh, no shot clock. No need to rush. No shot clock.
Aaron. To Bernard. Jet for Bernard. Jet for Aaron.
Hey, no.
To Bernard. To JR.
Basket, timeout.
Mark. And a foul.
Timeout.
Ano sila? Hindi. Substitution. Nasa going in for point.
35. 26.
Mark to Popoy. Guarded by Aaron. Popoy backing up. Popoy to Natnat. Natnat attacking. Natnat. Oh, out of bounds.
Timeout.
Black team.
Sila.
White team, 2 timeouts left. Black team, have 1 timeout left. A quick shout out and sponsor Snap Boy Federation inside the Lodi. First year champion. 8-12 back and the medal. And watch out for the second game. Team 5 versus the River City Raiders.
Yes.
Let's go!
Hindi, ibang JR yan. Ibang JR.
Bernard! Uy, wala! Uy, ano foul? Ano foul?
Those fouls.
Who's foul?
58.
58, Martin! Martin, third personal, warning for penalty, warning for penalty. 0.5, warning for penalty, 0.5. Bernard, going for 2. Yes, sir, Bernard!
That's a six.
Bernard! 2 of 2 from the free throw line, Bernard. And the ball will remain to the right team. Nice hustle to the right team. Substitution! Ben going in for Jet. Jet, jump out. Nice performance, Jet. Martin! What a shot! Nice shot, Martin! Bernard. JR! Wala! Martin with the rebound! Mark! Jared! Jared to Martin! Martin to Popoy! Popoy! And a foul!
0-0.
0-0. The black one, okay. Ayan, Ben! Fourth personal, Ben! Fourth personal, Ben! Second team foul, Victorious. Popoy going for 2 free throw shots.
29.
No good! Bernard nakalusot! Bernard tumira! Bernard! Set point please, the Junior! Not matake! Not! Uy, ang ganda naman! Not to the
31.
ball!
Ah, 31. 31. 39.
31. Ayan po si Bo!
Ang galing mo, Chris Paul.
JR! JR, third personal, third team foul. JR, ako lang. Video mo pala isama ka ako.
Uy, mag-billiard pa ka!
Bernard, ako nga, hindi ko na na-shoot. Tira mo muna. Sino foul? Ay,
Wala.
8-point lead, the Juniors. 4 minutes remaining, 4 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Nice defense.
Referee.
Referee, pwede nila. Sino yung hold? Sino? Red! Foul! Red team!
15.
1 point. Popoy, ang first personal. Pero sino? And a foul. Penalty na, body shot. Not that second personal, body shot. Substitution, not that going in for ASPA. Ben, going in for not that.
I told it. So,
Yes, sir!
40. 31.
Wait, supply! Wait, there! Hustle rebound! Nice hustle by them! Aaron wants the ball! Aaron wants it! Popoy, second personal foul, penalty pa rin. 0.5 still a penalty. Aaron going for the free throw line for 2. Aaron missed the first free throw shot. Oh, Popoy with the rebound. Aaron missed the free throw. Mark, according to JR. Mark, ang bilis! Mighty Mark!
33.
Mighty Mark! Andale!
33.
Ang bilis! Popoy! Yan sa the right team! Oh, nice pass! Martin!
45. Zero.
Ben foul out! Marpensa! Foul out kasi Ben! Warning for penalty, Centurion! Warning for penalty, Centurion!
May dalawa sa
kayo! Centurion! Marvin, pasok ang 3-point play! Yes, sir! Collective! Apat na lang!
Wala na sila demo.
And
No more timeout, ha? No more timeout, Black.
Ako boys, Robert Wilson, Frank Alori, Walter Pitti, and H. Nutt, for the Halifax Continental Property for
Kasi kan ikaw ang status.
Reminder lang, Black team, no more timeout. White team, a 2 timeout. Shout out sa original na Solar Boys. Shout out sa original na Solar Boys. Let's go! Tapusin na natin ito, guys! And reminder, second game, River City Rangers versus Championship Open Division. Eric, Aaron to JR. Martin by Mark. Oh! JR warning! JR, four personal! Ay, penalty. Bonus shot! Bonus shot niya! Patay!
Vincent Ciano.
Wait,
Bernard. Marte.
Bonus shot! Bonus shot! Third personal Aylor. Both teams the penalty. 4 points. With a chance to tie the ball game. One of two. Isa na lang, isa na lang. 1 point, please. Let's do this. Yes, to the rebound. Nice rebound, that's it. Very nice. Very nice.
Matay Ricalit. Matay Ricalit. Foul out.
Ang dami gumagraduate ng lecture yun. Tuga na lang ulan.
Namatay Ricalit. Nailok. Nailok. Nako, labo ganina. Nailok yun.
Ganda ng laban, pre. Oh, yes! Wala naman. Wala basket. Labang ng dalawa. Labang ng dalawa. Under 5. Last 2 minutes. Nathan, to Bernard.
Dipuglos.
Kuya, can you dance for the team? Hey, please do defense.
9.
Jared, third personal. Basket time out. Labang na ng isa. Yan ang pareho. Pati si Tweety, wala ka na tulong. Tweety, what's the say about the ball game? Yes, you did. What a ball game!
One good defense and we will win.
Pati si Tweety, wala ka na tulong.
They will just attack. Why?
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Let them commit the block. Good defense. One good defense. No foul.
One team, the penalty! Last team, over time, white team, have one time on the left. 1 minute, 18 seconds remaining in the last quarter. Shout out kay Shiny! Nangangamoy isa yan, Kuya! Para may isa tayo dyan, Kuya! Nangangamoy isa! Jared! Jared, guarded by JR! Jared, ang pala! Uy, nakapala si Jared! Uy, sayang! Babi ko na bigam! Si Jared again! Ruben! Oh, Jared again! Si Jared naman! Jared pala, Babi!
Eric.
Eric, second personal, Eric. Bonus shot. White team.
Ay, makihit sa daan niya.
Ang ganda ng dapat para makataking sa puso.
Bantay oras ha, bantay oras.
Naman lang isa ang point 5. Eric! What's the penalty? 58? 50?
Second basket, timeout kami.
First personal.
Second basket, timeout. Isa.
Grabe dapat para makatakin sa puso. Wala pa naman tayong pressure.
Arbol! Yes! Penalty!
58?
Penalty!
Marvin, first personal.
Take time!
Ayusin ka lang sa isan. Meron ka lang mamaya. Ayusin mo daw.
Pinapanood ka ni Tweety!
Napanood ka ni Tweety.
Wala nang timeout. Bali, apat Ano na yun? 47? 47?
Tapusin na natin ito, guys! 30 seconds remaining in the last quarter.
Titan! Tanggapin mo!
May shot clock ka, may shot clock ka. Referee na hindi na may shot clock. Referee na hindi na may shot clock. Hindi ba tayo tapos? Lumapit kayo doon! Lumapit kayo doon! Hindi ba tayo tapos? Hindi ba si Marvin? Marvin! One shot!
Babad si Pugol. Babad si Pugol. Stop. Wala na, pag-shoot. Stop. I will replace Aaron. Pag-shoot.
Uy, ingat lang.
Penalty. Walang stop. Wala.
Wait. Is there a foul?
No foul.
No foul.
Stop.
Very nice.
Final score 43-45.
What a game! 5-5! Taking the W! Taking game 1!